Got the John Deere in the barn, and so we're gonna put tire chains on it today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Pine Ridge Garage. Today, it is that time of the year actually. We got 3 inches of snow last night. We already had a foot of snow, and that came and went. We got a foot of snow over Thanksgiving weekend here in northern Michigan, and so here we got another 3 inches last night, and so it is time to get the John Deere all ready for plowing snow. So let's come over here. Got the John Deere in the barn, and so we're gonna put tire chains on it today. So helps out a lot plowing snow. So as you can see, I've got my tire chains here. I just store them in a 5-gallon pail, and so I've got the chain tighteners front for the front and the rear. These are the rear. I tell you, these bungees are really good. Keeps the chains from slapping around when you're going around, so keeps them nice and tight. So tire chain for each of the front. We'll get them laid out, and then a set for the rear. So we'll get them all laid out and I'll show you that. So let's do that today. Alright, so I like to lay my chains out, get them all laid out. So get them laid out. You can usually tell which side you've been running on. I've ran on both sides all the time, but there's these two hooks to hook them together. This one I usually put on the back side, this one on the front to lock it in. So let's kind of start it. Get them up here on the top. God. hooked. Fish that through the link. And that just bends over and hooks back into it. Whoop. Hooks back in to the link back here. Just like so. So just kind of spin it around, get it squared up. Stretched out. Oh, that one there. Okay, we'll unhook that. There, we had a twist in it. So, there. It gets on there like so. The front ones aren't too bad. But then I take these spider springs and we hook it in kind of across from each other. Whoop, missed that one. There we go. There. It just took 4 ways, so pretty slick. Like so. Nice and tight. Keeps it from, what do you say? Alright, that's one. Just repeat the process on the other side. We'll do that. So we'll come back here and we'll do the back one. Okay. Alright, got the front on, so now take the back, same kind of thing, is you lay them out, backwards. Want these cam tighteners on the outside of the tire so you can tighten them. And so what I do is I try to set these in this configuration so this is what's against the tire, so not this part, and so I lay them such and install them that way. So get it all spread out. Pretty easy to line up so that when you drive on it, we're going to drive onto the chain and then wrap the chain up and over. So let's do the other side too. Alright. Get it nice and spread out even. They get a twist and then they don't lay quite flat, so. Okay, so there. Make them close to even. That's what I try to do. And then when you pull them up and over the tire, fairly easy. Okay. All right, go back over it. That should be good. We'll find out. Bring this up. Hook this onto the chain. In the back here and hook. Maybe we'll get one more. There. So then by the time you cam lock these other ones, she'll tighten right up. So in the back, I was able to get into the fourth link because they give you extra links. So from the end I went 1, 2, 3, 4 and hooked it in. This one I got the fifth. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so you get this tool here, and that's what locks them down. So this just is the first one you do. It just locks through here, like so. And you got this little triangle that locks that in place, that one there. So then these, take and you over center them. Go the right way. There. There's that one. And there's that one. Looks like we might be able to get them all a little bit tighter. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah. Tighten them up pretty good. Yeah, so that tightens it up real good. So that one's on. Then you take the spider bungee and just hook up accordingly. That's it. It just keeps it tight, rattling. Pretty tight anyways. So there's one. We'll do the other one. Okay, we got the other side on. Now what we're going to do is take a couple zip ties and zip tie this excess chain so it's not just flopping around. Let's do it this way. Should be good. And then back here is also excess. Do the same here. Alright, but that's it, getting the chains on the tires on the John Deere 2025. There you go. Hey, this is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. So thanks for watching, and pretty simple to do, but man, does it worked really good out there in plowing snow on the driveway. And highly recommend getting chains for your utility tractors. It's a good option and really works well. So anyways, hit that like button, share with others, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. You get notified when I got new videos out. Again, thanks for watching. Have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.